Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are drawing a detailed dance sketch. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills and balance. For today's artistry trivia, which dance form traces its origins back to the ancient temples of Isa, where it was performed as a form of devotional dance in praise of Lord Jagannath, a prominent deity in the region? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's start with our sketch today. There will be a lot of information in the video, so pay close attention and follow along. Now let's draw the character using basic shapes. Our character has one arm in air in the opposite direction to the head. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle. Remember to keep the balance of the sketch in check, as all the three major parts of the body, which are head, torso and pelvis, should have a balance. For the legs, just draw lines to indicate the positioning and flow of the legs, as they will be covered by drapery. Make sure you draw the proportions correctly, as well as it will make your sketch look more harmonious. If you are struggling with proportions, don't worry, we have got you covered. We have 2 videos dedicated to proportions. Check them out on our YouTube channel. Now, as we are done with the basic sketch, let's move on towards adding details. Our character is happy while dancing, so draw the expressions likewise. Now erase the connecting lines so that we can draw in the details. As the character is wearing traditional Indian outfit, draw the drapery likewise. Let's darken the details a little and draw in a bangle to tie the outfit together. Pause the video and take your time to add details. And now let's get back to adding details to the drapery, as these intricate details on the clothing are what make the clothing special. Now let's talk a little about shading. It is used to indicate the illustrate the shape of the form and the direction of light. Shading with pencil is not like coloring. You have to repeat the same stroke in one direction. Draw a circle on the top right corner of your page or another page. Try to get the same shade throughout the circle while maintaining the pressure of the stroke. To draw darker shade, apply more pressure and less pressure for light shade. This practice can help in gaining control on the pressure of stroke. Use different number pencils to get darker shade. Now let's get back to our sketch. Get into consideration that the shading lines help in define the shape better, as our arm is like a cylinder. Shade the arm accordingly, as the shading lines will wrap around our object. The part facing away from the light will have darker shading. Now let's shade the blouse. While shading drapery, the knowledge of the forms of the body is very helpful, as the drapery is wrapped around the body. While shading the torso, take in mind the shape of the torso and shade accordingly. Now let's shade the ankle-length skirt. Keep in mind the folds and the overlaps of the skirt, which will create shadow and which side will face the light. Hang in there, we are almost done with the sketch. Let's finish off the sketch with shading the hair, as the hair as done by us. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Odissi traces its origins back to the ancient temples of Odisha, formerly Ujisa, where it was performed as a form of devotional dance in praise of Lord Jagannath, a prominent deity in the region. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.